Homework ends in tears, and you're starting to wonder if this isn't just a phase. If math or reading has turned into nightly battles, and your child has begun saying things like, I'm dumb, I can't do this, or I hate school. This video is for you. And if you're the parent staying up late Googling answers, trying to help after a long work day, quietly asking yourself, why isn't this clicking for my child? I want you to hear this clearly. Your child is not broken. You haven't failed them, and they don't need more pressure. They need the right support. Because when struggles like this go on for too long, they don't just affect grades, they begin to shape how a child sees themselves. Meet Zach. Zach attended a prestigious private school on scholarship. That scholarship wasn't optional. It depended on his academic performance. When Zach came to us, math was the biggest obstacle standing between him and the president's list. If he didn't pass, he risked losing the opportunity to stay at the school altogether. At Remote Learning Academy, we didn't just tutor Zach, we invested. We took the time to identify where the gaps were, rebuild his confidence step by step, and walk with him consistently, not just academically, but personally. As the weeks went on, something shifted. Zach didn't just understand math, he began to believe he could overcome challenges. His grades rose, his math average climbed into the A average. He met the requirements for the president's list. But what mattered just as much were the messages that followed. We received a heartfelt note from his parents sharing how much more confident and encouraged he felt. Then we heard from his math teacher who personally reached out to recognize his growth and effort. And in the end, we were invited to Zach's eighth grade graduation celebration, not as tutors, but as part of the journey that helped him get there. This is what makes Remote Learning Academy different. We don't just raise grades, we help students rise to meet challenges, build confidence, and walk forward knowing they're capable of more than they thought. Most children don't struggle because they're lazy, unmotivated, or incapable. They struggle because they missed a foundation somewhere along the way. Large classrooms, fast paced curriculum, overwhelmed teachers, skills that were introduced once and never fully reinforced. And when learning gaps go unaddressed in elementary or middle school, they don't disappear, they compound. Confusion turns into discouragement. Discouragement turns into loss, confidence. And over time, children stop believing they're capable learners. Hi, I'm Gina, the founder of Remote Learning Academy. I hold a bachelor's degree in education, and I've spent over 15 years teaching and working with children across different learning levels, abilities, and academic needs. Over the years, I've worked with students who were struggling, students who were misunderstood, and students who were simply needed someone to slow down and teach them in the way that finally made sense. And what I've learned is this: most children aren't failing, they're missing support. And that's why I created the Remote Learning Academy tutoring program for parents who deeply care about their child's confidence and want more than a quick fix. If you've been doing everything you can and still feel like nothing is working, I want you to know this: you're not alone. Your child isn't broken. I created our tutoring program for parents who deeply care about their child's confidence and are ready to stop guessing and start supporting them intentionally. If you've been doing everything you can and still feel like nothing is working, I want you to know you are not alone. We work with students every week who want to do well but feel overwhelmed. Kids who shut down because they're afraid to be wrong. Students who avoid schoolwork because failure feels personal. Parents who feel guilty for not having the time, energy, or training to help. Parents who feel guilty for not having the time, energy, or training to help. Remote Learning Academy tutoring is not a big box tutoring center. We are a faith based academic support program rooted in patience, mastery, and encouragement. Here's how we support your child. We offer one-on-one tutoring for fully personalized instruction. We also offer small group tutoring, groups of 2 or 3 students, so families can access quality support without sacrificing individual attention. We offer weekly or twice weekly sessions depending on what your child needs. And we support students in math, reading, writing, and grammar, not just one subject in isolation. Our tutors don't just teach content, they speak life, identity, and confidence over students, especially those who started believing they aren't capable. We provide clear progress tracking and ongoing communication with parents, so you're never left guessing how your child is doing or what they need next. Every child learns differently, and our tutors meet them exactly where they are. We regularly work with students who are 1 to 2 grade levels behind, and within weeks, parents begin to notice a shift. Sometimes it's a student who's been stuck on multiplication or fractions. Sometimes it's a child struggling with reading fluency or comprehension. Once those missing foundations finally click, everything else becomes easier. Not just grades, but clarity, confidence, and consistency. Because when children finally understand why something works, everything changes. Here's what we're really working towards. We want your child to finally understand what they're learning, not just memorize steps. We want learning gaps identified clearly and rebuilt patiently. We want learning gaps identified clearly and rebuilt patiently so confidence can grow again. Because the real win isn't just better grades, it's a child who believes, I can learn, I can grow, I'm capable. And at Remote Learning Academy, we care about more than just academics. We believe every child is created by God with purpose and value. During tutoring, we speak life and encouragement, pray when appropriate, and create a safe, Christ centered environment. We've seen students grow in their walk with Jesus, and we've even had a student give their life to Christ during a tutoring session. That's not something we take lightly because education isn't just what a child knows, it's about who they're becoming. If you're worried about affordability, we've built this program with real families in mind. That's exactly why we've built multiple tutoring tiers and group options. Every Remote Learning Academy tutor is trained in our discipleship based teaching model and carefully selected based on education, experience, and spiritual maturity. Families are matched with a tutor and a support level based on their child's academic needs, the level of support required, and tutor availability. Some families need fully one-on-one support. Others thrive in a small group setting with 2 or 3 students. What matters most is not choosing the highest level, it's choosing the right fit for your child. That's what we help you discern during the consultation. This isn't passive screen time, it's intentional instruction. At Remote Learning Academy, our tutoring isn't random or one size fits all. It's based on 4 core pillars that guide everything that we do. First, Christ centered encouragement. We teach from a biblical worldview, speaking life, identity, and truth over every student while creating a safe and respectful environment for families. Second, personalized mastery based instruction. We identify learning gaps and rebuild foundations patiently so students don't just give up quickly. So students don't just keep up, they actually understand. Third, skilled, faith aligned tutors. Our tutors are carefully selected based on education experience and spiritual maturity and trained in our discipleship based teaching model. And 4, partnership and accountability. We believe tutoring works best when parents are supported, communication is clear, and progress isn't left to guesswork. These pillars allow us to support students academically while also caring about who they are becoming. This tutoring program is for you if you want faith based support that strengthens both your child's academic skills and their character. Your child needs personalized help, whether they're struggling, catching up, or just need concepts explained more clearly. You're looking for structure, accountability, and guidance, not endless worksheets or rush sessions. And you want to partner with tutors who are patient, encouraging, and intentional, even if you don't have the time or confidence to teach everything yourself. If that sounds like your family, you're exactly who we created Remote Learning Academy tutoring for. And I also want to be honest about who this may not be a right fit for. This may not be the right program if you're looking for a completely hands off solution with no parent involvement. If you're hoping for quick fixes without addressing underlying learning gaps. If you're not comfortable with faith being a part of the learning environment. Or if you're not in a season where you can communicate, follow through, or partner consistently around your child's learning. Every family's season looks different, and we truly honor that. Your child doesn't have to stay stuck, they don't have to struggle in silence, and you don't have to carry this weight alone anymore. Click the link below to schedule a free consultation. Spots are limited, so sign up today, or you may end up on the wait list. There's no other program like this in the world. And so, if you feel peace, book in the call below, and I'll see you there. Again, this isn't a sales call. There is no pressure and no obligation. Just clarity about what your child needs and which level of support would serve them best. We'll walk you through whether one-on-one, group of 2, or group of 3 tutoring is the right fit. Because we keep our sessions small and intentional, spots are limited. Remote Learning Academy Tutoring, building strong foundations, confident learners, and Christ-centered students.